Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for the people who are subscribed and those who have come back to subscribe. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Kissman. Please like my videos, share my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my videos. So today I am taking you through on encouraging brothers and sisters who need to open up the YouTube channels that please go ahead, just take it, start it, and make it to a YouTube channel, and let's grow together. Yes, my people, you know, here in America, in my bag I also have cheap eyes. You see, you may think this is the lip balm. No, in America even men use this to keep your lips wet and soft. It's not only for women, because if you don't do that here, your lips can dry and then you look ugly. So right now I felt like my lips were real dry, so I had to check in my bag here. I move with it when it comes to this season here. So we are done with the shopping. I went out there and bought some beer and some wine for myself. So now I want to kick up back home. Yes, guys, let's work together, let's be together. If you are a YouTuber, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. That's our way, all of us, both you and me, we all need subscribers, guys. We really encourage everybody. If you're outside there and you have a nice phone, a good phone I should say, don't waste time, open a YouTube account. And the most important thing is, let's love ourselves, let's love everybody. Open your YouTube account, like other people's video, as people will also like your videos. That is what is so much important with YouTube. People who are not YouTubers, like our videos, subscribe. Don't just check on somebody's video and then you walk away. Please, guys, you know being on YouTube is a struggle. Okay, so always and ever, the more viewers you get, the more subscribers you will get. The more videos you make, if you keep dropping videos, it doesn't matter whether people don't click or what. My brother, my sister, keep producing your videos and share it to the group, as long as they are videos that build others. Let's not discourage one another. There are people who have made money on YouTube. There are people who have made life a path. Not like people who say you go to the university, complete campus, complete college. You see, once you realize that you have the chance, utilize the chance. YouTube does not select people who have PhD. It doesn't matter whether you have you are a P7 leaver, as long as you can speak English and show people facts. Show the public what is outside there that can build people. That's the most important thing. YouTube will take you up. YouTube will bring you up. Convince the algorithm is the most important thing. Make videos that catch up, that build a community, that teach people. Like we have always said, as you're opening your YouTube account, you need to know what kind of niche are you going to take on your YouTube channel? There are so many. I have always said, like we have health. You can talk about health. You can take the niche about how to make money. We have got the travel, adventurers, people who move from state to state, country to country. It's up to you what you think it's possible for you. Some people are scared of the camera. Don't be scared of the camera. As long as you do not break what YouTube puts as a regulation, you know. You don't have to show nakedness. You don't have to show, you know, something that really irritates, that can affect somebody's mind, people that think something that can give someone a psychological torture, you know, like showing pictures of death, killings and what, you know. Yes, you avoid that. There are so many things to discuss, things that you can talk about in a community. More so people who are, if you're in the village, I would say country area, show people what is going on in your community. And let me tell you today, most of the people enjoy watching how someone takes his style of life. The things you do as you in your house, whenever you go out, how you interact, how you chill life as a person, what you like, what you eat, what you drink. You know, there are some people who like following such stories, watching how people enjoy their life. And you'll find you are a match for some of the guys. So I encourage everybody, if you have the capacity, if you have the courage, open a YouTube channel. There are so many things outside there that people don't know, and they will take the advantage from you. We shall get to know from you. Okay? Yes, so we always have to share, we always have to learn, and that is how other people will come to know what is happening in environment and how things are done. Yeah, some people deal on tutorials. People deal on tutorials. Some people like shopping, you know. Yes. It doesn't matter. It is your choice, the choice of what you are interested in. That's another thing. When you're picking up a niche, get a niche that you have interest in doing it. What you are interested in doing. There are some people who take chances by somebody selecting for you, but it would be so much better you take the choice of a niche you want. The topic, I've always said the niche is like a topic. The issues, area that you are so much skilled in. Yes? If you are a nurse, talk about medication. Talk about sicknesses. Teach people about how to avoid like maybe blood pressure, blood sugar, you know, diabetes, I would say. Train people how they should control weight. Besides going to the gym, you know, most of the people think by going to the gym, you fight for your weight. Not only that. Yeah, some people can go by, I've got friends of mine who have lost weight just by fasting. So that is what people want. That's what people are looking for today. Identify your niche. If you are so much well versed with medication, health care, my brother, my sister, teach people about that. There are people outside there who are waiting to hear different ways, different methods, different activities that can help them fight problems which they have. If you are a businessman, you have knowledge, skill, talk about that. Come to YouTube and teach people how to make money, how to open a business, how to set up a simple business, how much someone can hold, someone can have in order to start a very simple business. I thank all some of the brothers and sisters who have always come out. Yeah, when you go to Facebook, you find people telling people, however, if you have even 500,000, I would say in my country, can make you start a business. In terms of dollars, if you can have $150, you can start a business. And they can even lay out down. Even people who manage to grab like 25 million, 10 million, they will direct you on what kind of business you can handle, or building, what kind of house you should set up to let you come up with something that can help you earn money. So those are the niches that I am trying to break down. People who have knowledge, talk about that. That will be so much interesting, and YouTube will like, you'll get more followers. For me here, I am just a teacher. I am just courageous to tell people of what they should do. Encourage people, open a YouTube channel, come and talk about this, Yes. So please like my video, share my video, and don't forget to subscribe. I need subscribers, Yes. Why are you watching me and you don't subscribe? Please subscribe. Yes. Yeah, so we are in 2025. Make a plan. We need all to come up with plans. So the year is moving. What are you ready to do? If you don't have anything to do, join YouTube, become a traveler, teach people. Okay? Don't be scared. Start with your phone. That phone you have in your hand there, that phone is good. You have to make sure that check the settings are all set, because we have settings either 4K